In this video, we will be exploring the Linux Apt-get command to install, uninstall, manage, update and find applications using 10 different examples in the command line terminal. Now let's meet with Apt-get, the go-to command line tool for managing packages. It's the silent hero in the background, supporting other programs that make use of the apt library, ensuring smooth operations for users. This command in Linux is a built-in command that takes options and commands as its argument. The main syntax is apt-get followed by options and commands, and the option and command are enclosed by a square bracket. Now, speaking of the options, you can view all the options in the manual page using the command man apt-get. Scroll down and you will see several options that you can use along with their descriptions, and press Q to quit the manual page. Now let's begin with the examples. Let's start with updating the package repository using the apt-get. At first, open the terminal and enter the command apt-get update. This command will update the local package repository information on your system. Now press enter and the command has resynchronized the package index files and updated the package repository. In the second example, I will install the nano package. To do so, type in the terminal sudo apt-get install nano. This command will install the nano text editor with sudo privileges. Now hit enter, providing my password, and nano package is installed successfully. Next up, moving to removing packages using the apt-get command. I want to remove the nano package. For that, type in the terminal sudo apt-get remove nano, and this command will remove the nano text editor from the system. Now hit the enter button, press Y to continue, and the nano text editor has been removed from your system. If you ever need to remove a package with the configuration files, then in the terminal, type sudo apt-get purge nano. Here the purge option removes the nano text editor along with its configuration files, ensuring a complete and clean removal. So now hit on the enter button, press Y to continue, and you can see this command has removed all the configuration files of the nano package. Sometimes upgrading may be needed to keep all the packages up to date. The apt command followed by upgrade is a very handy command to upgrade packages. Now type sudo apt-get upgrade and hit enter, and you will see that by executing this command, all your system packages will be upgraded. Now let's take it to the next level. The apt-get upgrade command cannot remove installed packages to upgrade the entire system. For that, use the apt-get full upgrade command. So, in the terminal, type sudo apt-get full upgrade. Hit enter and look at the terminal. This command has upgraded all the installed packages, removing the installed packages if needed to upgrade the whole system. Suppose there are some dependencies that are no longer required. To remove the unneeded dependencies, type sudo apt-get auto remove. Here the auto remove option removes unnecessary dependencies that were automatically installed for packages that are no longer required on the system. So hit enter, and thus all the unneeded dependencies will be removed. You can display the short usage summary using the apt-get command accompanied by the -h option. To display, type sudo apt-get -h. Here the -h option displays a help passage providing information about the various options and usage of the apt-get command. So hit enter and look at the terminal. The short usage summary has been displayed. If it comes to downloading a package, you can do it easily by using the apt-get command. To download the nano package, type apt-get download nano. Hit enter. And the nano package is downloaded in your system. At last, allow me to show how to clear out the local repository of retrieved package files. It removes everything but not the log file from these two directories. So enter the command sudo apt-get clean. Hit enter and the terminal screen says that the command has cleared out the local repository of retrieved package files. And there you have it, the ins and outs of the apt-get command in Linux. Don't forget to practice this command in your own terminal for hands-on experience. If you need more help, feel free to explore the commands and article given in the description below.